Your turn to host this holiday. We have everything set with us here. Carmen Ciesielski from IKEA Canada is here with some hacks to make it a breeze. Okay, we have to talk. This fascinates me. So this is just a table, and you have this rod that's just a separate piece and can go anywhere.
Yeah, so why we really wanted to bring this is, of course, we know that it's all the special little touches that make our home a home. And for entertaining during the holidays, we really want to take it up a notch. So this is called a decorative rod for table, and it does scope to different lengths, so super flexible when it comes to what size table you have.
And the width of table too, like our viewers can't see it. But
so it's a bit of a turn knob, so it secures onto any table. And what I love about it, it really elevates your dining table when you're entertaining. And we've done it right now for the holidays, so hanging some garland and some decorations on it, but it's great. Can you imagine this at a kid's party or Valentine's Day with some like love letters hanging from it,
or on an island or a table? So it can be like any height this way, any width.
We can scope it as small as the table and as large as the table.
And what's the name of this again?
This is called it's $39, which is also, and it's called Held Go. So really fantastic, super, it folds back up too, so easy to store at home, which is nice.
Very neat.
And then the dining table, I wanted to mention as well, we know that Canadians don't have a lot of space, and not everybody wants a huge table. And what's fantastic about this table is it has a built-in butterfly leaf. So it goes from 4 to 6 really easily, and you don't have to find anywhere to store the leaf.
Oh,
so
I love that.
Fantastic
Okay, let's focus on this table now then. Is this the shortened version of it?
So, yes, this is the version with it closed up, and this is the open extension on it.
Okay.
And then something else like what's really important to us around table setting when you have company. We all want to bring our guests in. We want to do something special. So when it comes to setting the table, layering things and using old and new and mixing is really a great way, an affordable way to set your table. So always starting with the linen. So maybe that's tablecloths, placemats, or runners. And then what I've done here is I've mixed a little bit of our regular range. So the green plates are part of the stock we carry all year long. And then these little white dishes are super cute, and they're part of our winter holiday range. So, you know, you don't always have to buy new. You can kind of mix
with
a little
what
your regular stuff just to enhance it for the holidays.
Okay, let's talk about the chairs now. We're not encouraging people to like, oh, okay, how are you going to sit at that chair? But this is just for display only. But it's to show that you leave a little goodie bag or a little gift on the chair or on the table.
Yeah, so we have a lot of small, beautiful little objects at IKEA, home furnishing accessories. So I always think it's so nice to give everybody a little host gift, whether you're giving or receiving. We have a lot of great products at IKEA. Under $7, you can put a couple of products from our food range in here, and also a little candle that's under $1. So really easy ways.
And you sell these bags?
Yeah, so these are gift bags that work with a lot of our holiday range. So whether that's for gift giving or a little holiday gift, hostess gift.
Okay,
it's perfect.
And you've got beautiful stemware here.
Yeah, really beautiful. Aren't these lovely? I really love these because these, of course, you can use for drinks, but also a beautiful dessert dish.
Oh,
and the pattern's really lovely on them. So
that's got a nice weight to it.
It's very nice, isn't it?
Very nice.
Yeah, and the cute little stir sticks.
And then what about these vases here? That's very cool.
Yep. So that is part of our holiday range as well. You know, kind of looks a little snowman-ish, so it kind of suits the theme for the holidays, and just some fun bits. So it's about layering, bringing in candles, having your linens, bringing in some greenery. I really love fresh greenery, and also personalization. So even to have some little objects like this, maybe with some name tags for your guests.
And your little takeaway, you put them in the bag.
Yeah, these are artificial, but they could be little rosemary. They could be little saplings that people can take home and plant. So lots of fun ideas for personalizing for companies. So,
our table is set for the holidays. And Carmen, thanks very much for coming in. We'll get the links up on our website at chch.com.
Thanks for having us.